6 simple ways to motivate yourself every day. Each and every one of us has those days when we are just not feeling it. We are mentally and physically drained, and the last thing we want to do is crawl out of bed and tackle the day. Unfortunately, we don't have a luxury to stay in bed all day. When this happens, it's time to use these simple 6 techniques to help you overcome that emotional hurdle. Point 1. Review your goals first thing in the morning and pick one thing. Sometimes life just gets in the way and distracts us from accomplishing goals or tasks. To stay on track, review your goals when you first wake up in the morning and start working on one of your most important goals and put a plan in place to achieve that one goal. Success has some excellent tips on getting powerful goals, such as evaluating and reflecting what's going in your life right now, defining your dream and goals, making your goals smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time sensitive, holding yourself accountable. Point 2. Come on, get happy. Think about all of the times that you procrastinated. I bet a majority of those times were when you weren't in the best of moods. So procrastination is a mood management technique like eating or taking drugs, a short-sighted one, but we are most prone to it when we think it will actually help. Well, far and away the most procrastination occurred among the bad mood students who believed their mood couldn't be changed and who had access to fun distractions. To combat procrastination so that you can stay productive and keep moving forward, make yourself happy by showing gratitude, surrounding yourself with positive people, celebrating small wins, being charitable, doing things that you enjoy, and even just forcing yourself to smile. Put on some loud music and clean your house for a few minutes, or clean out your desk and surroundings. This technique can usually get you motivated to get on to your important work and to stop procrastinating. Point 3. Get motivated by others. When you really need an extra motivational push, you can always turn to the words or art from others. With music, you can start by creating a playlist of songs that get you excited and inspired. After all, music can change your mood and lift your spirits. Besides music, there are books, movies, and videos that can assist you in moving forward by through inspiration and guidance. And don't forget the thousands of motivational quotes from successful and respected individuals that can immediately change your mindset by making you more optimistic. Point 5. Cut your to-do list in half. Lengthy lists are roadblocks that prevent us from achieving success. Instead of going forward, these lists hold us back. Cut your to-do list in at least half so that you can focus on most completing items first. Some studies show that if you have more than 7 tasks on a list, you will be none of them. Yet if you only have 3 items listed, the likelihood to finish all 3 is high. Point 5. Find a partner in crime. I remember the reason why I stopped going to the gym. My gym partner had to move several hundred miles away for work. I tried to keep going on my own, but I lost interest very quickly. Since I no longer had someone else to push me, it was acceptable to miss one day, then another, until I finally stopped going altogether. Having someone else by your side is one of the motivators, since this person will be your biggest cheerleader and motivate you whenever you feel like throwing in the towel. Point 6. Take a break. I understand that your life is chaotic. Between work and your family, you are constantly on the go. This becomes a problem after a while because you are exhausted and burnt out. Even though you believe that you don't have a time to take vacation, the least you can do is to take a day or two to decompress. It will recharge your batteries and give you a new outlook on everything that's going on in your life. So whether you are taking a couple days off or just 15 minutes, take some time to relax. When you return to your work, you will be surprised at how refreshed and enthusiastic you are.